Hey guys, Coach Salome here, and today we are making a black bean rice macro recipe. So here I have 2 cloves of garlic that are already cut to make it easier on you guys. You don't have to see me chop garlic up. I have half a serving of black beans, drained and rinsed. I have some cilantro for the topic and lemon if you want. It's optional. I have cumin, and then I have 2 cups of rice, already cooked jasmine rice, and that will make 14 servings of the black beans rice whole together that we're doing. So let's try it out. Okay, so I have the heat on medium, and I'm going to lightly coat my skillet with olive oil spray. You can use coconut oil, you can use avocado oil. And then I'm just gonna put the garlic to kind of cook for 30 to 60 seconds. You can pause. Okay, now that the garlic is kind of cooked, you don't want it overcooked either. We're gonna add the beans. Make sure you mix it. Mix it all good together. Then we're gonna add the rice, which is a lot of rice. We're only going to add 2 cups of rice. Looks like 2 cups, and make sure that you mix it all in so that all of the beans and the rice and the garlic are all together and mixed around as one. And then once it's kind of all mixed around, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin. And kind of sprinkle it all around. And then now, this is when the mixing has to be like very well done so that the cumin and all the spices actually go everywhere in the rice and the beans and the garlic. So take your time. Everything should be already cooked. It's kind of just to mix it all together and for the cumin to heat up. Obviously, if you want to make more for more people, then you double the ingredients or triple, depending on how big your family is. And then once it's ready, you serve it on a plate. Let's try to make this pretty. Let's try. And then you sprinkle it with some cilantro on top of it. I love cilantro. So. And then if you want, you can squeeze some lemon or some lime. Put on yourself on the food. And here it is. A bean and rice with cilantro, garlic, cumin, and that's it. Super simple.